On the last one, guys, I showed you all the flaws on this car, but today we got to get in here, clean this thing up, and then start stripping it down. Alright, now that we got it cleaned up, it's still a nugget, but at least I feel more comfortable putting my hands on it. So let's get to disassembling this. I'm going to put you guys on the GoPro. I probably could have made a full-length feature movie out of the time spent taking all that stuff apart, so I didn't want to bore you guys to death on the GoPro. but we made some pretty good progress. You can see that we got the radiator out, the AC core, and the front crash beam as well. So we got all that stuff out of there. Got it all lined up along here. So I gotta keep hustling on this. Got a lot more work to do. I'm gonna get a few more things out of the engine bay, and then hopefully later today I can get this up into the garage. So it started pouring like crazy here this afternoon, so I had to get this thing up in the garage ASAP because it started hailing and I didn't want any more damage than there already is to the vehicle. So now that I got it up here, I was able to pull off the hood and also one of the fenders. Now what I would like to do is try and get some more stuff off in the engine bay, so I'll put you guys on the GoPro. So I've made some pretty solid progress on this, guys. I got a lot of the parts off that I wanted to keep possibly, or just get out of the way, so that way we can drop everything out of the engine bay. Now, one thing that I haven't really addressed yet with you guys is I don't even know what the condition is on this motor. This car didn't come with a key, so that's going to be another issue for another day, trying to get that all sorted out. But what we can do is we can check the spark plugs on this and just kind of get an idea of what's going on with some of the stuff here. So let's dive into that. Well, as you can see, they don't look that bad, to be honest. I mean, at least, you know, none of the porcelain's blasted off, and doesn't look too fouled up. Gap looks alright on it. Just notice a little bit of corrosion right here. Let's check out the rest of them and see what the condition is. So I confirmed that all of the spark plugs are good. So that's a good sign, guys. I don't think anything's wrong with the motor on this. Won't know until we obviously do a compression test on it, but things are looking up. I'm very hopeful for this thing. So next time, on the next episode, we're going to be dropping all the drivetrain out of this, so that way we can get a closer look at what's going on, if there's any frame damage at all. Then we can kind of decide where to go with this little project from there. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button, and also be sure to subscribe. There's going to be plenty of content on this car coming, so you'll want to stay tuned. Alright, till next time, guys.